So friends, today we go some linguistic areas where some of the moral stories that niche or field for our human validation. So here the title is Essence of Nature Creations, and we are discussing about these topics, essence of natural creation. So before telling you that, I am drawing this picture. This is a camel, and this is a cactus in the oasis. So here is a story of Maksim Alexander, and he was a Russian businessman. Once upon a time, he roamed several parts of the world for his business or trade connection. Once he went to the Western Asia for trade fair. He was in the Arabian desert. Then he was in the Arabian desert, mainly in the Western Yemen. Yemen, the western part of the Yemen in the Arabian state. So there that region was very hot and very cold in the mornings or dawn of the mornings or before mornings. So he came to this oasis and roamed over the camel's hump. He roamed over the desert and found there are some cactus. So he asked, so what's the necessities of this cactus? There is no necessity of the cactus. But he had to ride on the back the camel ham throughout the sandy sea. It was very hot, and while he was passing by the fiery sand, he felt thirsty. Only single tree he cannot find there. Only he saw some cactus with large thorns. At last he approached to that bush, but found no place to sit. Everywhere it was full of thorny branches. He was initiated and irritated. He was totally irritated. What is happening? He was so thirsty. He needs water, but he find a single drop of water. So he felt, why these unworthy bushes are there? He asked himself, what is the need for these unworthy bushes? No shade, no fruit at all. Just few minutes later, he noticed that a flock of camels came to that bush and swallowed some green leaves of that cactus leaf and quenched the thirst and went out. So it rejuvenated themselves with fuel and energy. So Muskim was watching all the things and he realized the need of the cactus, why the nature grown of this cactus in this desert. So everything, many of macro, flora, fauna in the land, river, sea, whatever the creations are existing in the nature, everything has its importance. So nature created. So here it is the justified title of the essence of natural creations. So every natural creations has its essence and requirement. They are surviving for the benefits of the nature, the other elements of the nature. So the morality of this story is that Every natural creation is no doubt needful. Be grateful to the Almighty for His uh, blessings and arrangements for universe. So that is the moralities of the story here. And after completing this story, there are some of the lessons or activity tasks for our students. So here the activity task we are discussing about it. So first of all, the word meanings. So what is the word meanings? The how is everything is judiciously allocated in the nature and something to be useful, and but nature is built on harmony. And so the nature built on the harmony. Okay, thank you. So read the to complete lessons and try to solve out the activity task in the given link. So you can go to the articles of the MBS Academy.